Good morning. Hi, everyone. It is Wednesday, April 22nd. Today, I am bringing you guys a special video because it is Earth Day. I am going to read you guys a story that tells us what Earth Day is and how we can help protect our Earth and keep it clean. And then I have some coloring pages for you guys to also celebrate Earth Day with us. So today, I'm going to be reading How to Help the Earth by the LORAX. It is AR level 3.5 and quiz number 148675. I want you guys to AR test on this if you can. I've been watching AR and lots of you guys have been taking AR tests, but I want you to keep taking tests. So this is also a book that you can test on. So if you need a second to write down what it's called or the AR number, go ahead and pause the video. But I am going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to share my screen with you. And here we have, oops, if it will get big, we have our story that I'm reading. So How to Help the Earth by the LORAX. It is with Tish Rabe. Illustrated by Christopher Moroni and Jan Girardi. Those are difficult last names to say. Hello, I'm the LORAX. I speak for the trees and the fish and the birds, and I'm asking you please to help out the earth. I am counting on you. Together I know there's a lot we can do. First, I have a question, and I need to ask it. Do you know where the trash goes that's in your wastebasket? A wastebasket is like a trash can. It goes out to the curb. Then a dump truck comes by, heaped with big piles of trash that are smelly and high. Some days after that, these big piles of trash will be buried or dumped in a giant landfill. Some of the garbage that's dumped there will rot, but most of the garbage that's dumped there will not. Some cities burn trash, but this trash solution creates a lot of smoke, which creates air pollution. The good news, things don't have to go on this way. We can reduce trash. We can start right away. Take your lunch in a bag, but don't throw it away. Use the bag or a lunchbox again the next day. Use both sides of your paper, and I have no doubt there will be much less paper for you to throw out. When you've read magazines and you no longer need them, pass them to your friends so they'll get to read them. Rather than tossing your old clothes, toys, and shoes, donate them. They're things other people can use. Put used soda cans in a recycling bin. Rinse them out when they're empty and throw them right in. They'll be made into new cans. This can I have here is made from old cans I recycled last year. So if you look at this green bin right here, it has this little symbol on it. And this little symbol with these arrows stands for recycle. And when you recycle something, it means it can be used again. It just has to be cleaned. So when you put things in a recycling bin, it's something that you can use again. So look for that recycling symbol, because if it has that, it can be used again. Paper clips, rubber bands, buttons, and screws are things you will find that are easy to reuse. Put these things in a drawer so they're all in one place. They'll be easy to find and won't take up much space. Okay, I want to look at this word reuse. Our base word here is use, but we have this prefix re, R-E. If you guys remember what we talked about, what does the prefix re mean? It means again. So this word, our base word is use, and our prefix is re, which means again. So this means we're going to use it again. So reuse means to use something more than one time. When dead batteries are dumped, this fact I have found, the chemicals in them leak into the ground. Use rechargeable batteries, charge them, and then when they run out of power, just charge them again. In helping the earth, you can take it from me. We need to find ways to use less energy. Energy powers cars. It creates heat and light made from gas, coal, and oil we burn day and night. These are natural resources, and there is a limit of how much of them our whole earth has within it. We need to use less, and I just have to say, there are ways to use less energy every day. When you leave a room, stop and turn off the light. Be sure to turn off your computer at night. When it's cold, wear a sweatshirt and take the time, please, to turn down the heat just a couple of degrees. When you're doing your homework or starting to read, sunlight through the window may be all that you need. Animals and plants, all things alive, need to have water. It's how we survive. So water is something that we need to save too. There are ways we can save it. I'll show you a few. When you get up each morning and stand at the sink and start brushing your teeth, take a moment to think. A lot of clean water is going to waste while you reach for your toothbrush and squeeze on toothpaste. All that water is running and it's going to waste. Right down the drain, this clean water is going, so turn off the faucet and stop it from flowing. Spend less time in the shower and you'll still get clean. Try a 4-minute shower. You'll see what I mean. To help out the earth, please do something for me. Find a place that's near you and then go plant a tree. Trees provide shelter and oxygen too, so plant lots of trees. It's what I always do. If we work together, the earth will get better, the land will be clearer, the soil will be wetter, the sun will shine brighter, the trees will be greener, the sky will be bluer, the air will be cleaner. When you have clean air, the flowers blossom. And next time I speak for the trees, fish, and birds, I know in my heart I'll only need 2 words. For all that you've done and for all you will do, I'm the LORAX, and I say a great big thank you. The end. So that is our story, the LORAX, or How to Help the Earth. Again, we just read How to Help the Earth by the LORAX. It is AR level 3.5, quiz number 148675. You can pause the video if you need a second to write this down. Another thing that I also have for you guys, like I said, is coloring pages. So I got these coloring pages for us and I sent them to your parents so they can print them out for you. They're just a fun way to celebrate Earth Day, and if you print them out in color, you don't have to do all of them. Choose 1 or 2 or however many you want. And if you color them, you can send me a picture of your page, and I would love to give you guys dojo points. I am going to show you what these pages look like. Oops. So we have this one. It says Earth Day with a flower and a heart on the earth. We have this one with an animal, a little owl. Earth Day, because we got to protect our animals, keep our earth clean. We also have this one. Again, the earth has a heart. It says Earth Day. We have the little flowers and the little bees. Then this one is the recycling owl. Here's the recycling owl with earth. It says Earth Day down here. Another recycling owl with the recycling bin and containers that can be recycled and reused. Then we have a little frog on our earth. Remember, we have to protect our animals. And then we have this one again that says Earth Day with the recycle sign on it. So these are just a few coloring pages that you guys can color if you want. And then if you scroll down here, we have examples of how you guys can color them. Now you can color them however you want, but if you don't know how to color it and you want something to copy or look at or get ideas from, here are some ways you can color your pictures. Your parents also have these. Lots of colors, lots of different ideas and ways to color. So again, print those papers out, the ones that you want to color, send me a picture of your coloring so I can see it. And I would love to give you guys dojo points, or you can save it for our Zoom meeting on Friday. We have a Zoom meeting on Friday, and I'm asking that you guys find one thing to share with the class. So if you want, not going to be something that you share, that is fine. But again, just send me a picture of it so I can give you guys dojo points. All right, happy Earth Day, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, everybody.